Good morning to all, guys. Today we are going to discuss unit digit of a number, right? So when I talk about unit digit of a number, this is the exact type of question I would like to discuss. Listen, find the unit digit of a number 78 to the power 78. Now you have to understand this 78 to the power 78 unit digit. I mean to say is that 78 into 78 into 78 and it goes on like this, 78 and 78. If we multiply it for 78 times, what would be the unit place of this number? Right, this is called the unit place. So this is a basic explanation what exactly the question stands for. Alright, so I mean to say is that if I multiply 78 times, what would be the unit place of that number? That is the meaning of this question, right? And then I come to a very simple aspect, the rule. Now, to be very frank to you, you watch a lot of videos and you would realize there are a lot of rules. But this is a very basic concept. So I'm not going to give you any big standard rules of cyclicity and all the stuff. The rule is called power and index rule. Now listen, P stands for power over here and N stands for index, right? So what exactly I want to discuss in this concept would actually be, let me switch off my mobile, huh guys? So this would actually be that the question. Now what exactly the rule is? Some important points I would like to discuss. Point number one. See guys, any number ending with 1 and raised to the power any natural number would always end with 1, right? I'm writing n belongs to natural, right? Similarly, any number ending with 5 raised to the power natural would always end with 5 for n belonging to natural, right? N belonging to natural. So for example, I say what is 21 to the power 7815 in the unit place. Don't worry, unit place would be 1. Similarly, I say what is 125 raised to the power 31. Unit place would be 5. Very simple, right? Then comes a number which is ending with 6 raised to the power a natural number would always end with 6. So I'm writing n belongs to natural, right? So you can just check it out. So for example, 126 raised to the power 783 would always end with 6, no doubt. Alright, and one more guys, one more. Any number ending with 0 raised to the power natural would always end with 0, right? Here again n belonging to natural. So you know that a number when it ends with 0, any power of it, any power raised to the power means any natural number raised to the power any natural number would end with 0. So these are four important concepts that you should keep in your mind when you are doing power and index rule or maybe a unit place of a number. Additional information just for the sake of fun. Any number ending with 76 raised to the power natural always ends with 76. You can check it out. N belonging to natural. I'm very particular about writing this n belonging to natural because most of the student they take it as a misconcept. Otherwise they may take it as any number ending with 76 raised to the power 3 upon 2 also ends with 76. No, 3 upon 2 is not a natural number, right? Any number ending with 25 raised to the power natural ends with 25. Again, n belonging to natural, right? So I'm very particular about this concept. So our power index rule will depend upon these four important points, and we are going to now discuss these important points as well, guys. So how does it move? Now please pay attention. There are two categories. First category is, I say, when the index is odd. When we talk about a number n to the power p, right, but your n is odd, your n is an odd number, right? So when index is odd, really important thing, we multiply the index repeatedly till we get 1 at the unit place, right? So how many times, to be very frank to you, how many times would you multiply? Either 2 times, and if 1 does not come in the unit place 2 times, then or 4 times, not repeatedly. To be very frank to you, I'm just marking it again. It's nothing to do with repeatedly. It's either you have to multiply index 2 times or you have to multiply index 4 times to get a 1 in the unit place. Alright, so for example, now let's create an example. I say find the unit. Now this is what you have to understand. Find the unit digit of the number 83 to the power 43. 83 to the power 43. So I'm just marking what is our index 83. It's an odd number, so I multiply 83 twice first. Once I multiply 83 twice, 3 3s are 9. I'm not getting 1 in the unit place. Then I'll check 4 times. Definitely, if it is not working 2 times, 4 times it is going to work. See, 83 into 83 into 83 into 83. So you don't have to do 83 into 83, you just have to multiply the unit places. So listen to me. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 7, 7 3s are 1. So again I'm repeating for you. 3 3s are 9, right? 9 3s are 27. So I'm just picking up a unit digit. 7 3s are 21. So I'm picking up a unit digit, that is 1. So I'm now very, very sure that whenever I multiply 83 4 times, I'm going to get 1 in the unit place. Clear? That is how we make 1. Clear? So I'm very easily writing it. 83 to the power 4 gives me 1 at the unit place. 83 to the power 4 gives me 1 at the unit place. I hope everyone understands it. Now the question says you have to check the unit place of 83 to the power 43. So I have to go towards 43. So don't you think I'll write 83 to the power 40 raised to the power 10 would give me a number ending with 1 raised to the power 10, which subsequently would give me 83 to the power 40 is giving me 1 at the unit place. Now you may say, sir, why? Because I said any number. See the rule over here we created. See this. Any number ending with 1 raised to the power natural number ends with 1. So we really get something important from here. Listen to this. A number ending with 1 raised to the power 10 would automatically end with 1. Alright. Now we only need to see is, all we need to check is 83. Again, just messing up. Oh, just a minute. Just hold on, guys. So let's see whether it is working. Yes, it is, guys. So now what we need to do is just check out. We need to go to 43. So 83 to the power 40 into 83 to the power 3 would give you a number ending with 1 into 83 to the power 3. So this subsequent is making 83 to the power 43 is giving you number ending with 1 into, now 83 to the power 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 7. So 1 into 7 comes out to be 7. So I can easily say that 83 to the power 43 have a unit place as 7. So please, I hope that unit digit of 83 to the power 43 is clear. 83 is a odd number, so you tried making 1. So let me create one more example so that it's comfortable for you. You don't feel the pinch, So we won't discuss type 2 right now. Let's first of all discuss even number cases, right? So my question to you again, find unit place of 127 to the power 70. So find the unit place of 127 to the power 70. Again 127, you just don't need to see the whole number, so I am just able to see 7 unit place. You have 7, but again, you just need to multiply either twice or 4 times. So I check 127 into 127, so 7 sevens are ending with 9, so we do not require this case, right? And then 127, once you don't get 1 at a unit place with 2 time multiplication, definitely you'll get a 1 4 time multiplication. So just check out 7 sevens are 9, 9 sevens are 3, and 3 sevens are 1. Again 7 sevens are 49, so I retain 9, and 9 sevens are 63, so I retain 3, and 3 sevens are 21, so I retain 1. We are talking only about the unit place. So I'm writing 127 to the power 4 gives you 1 in the unit place. I need to go till 70. Now guys, this is something really important. Now either you can say that raised to the power both sides and all that stuff, but why do we need to write? Can't I write 127 to the power any multiple of 4 would give you 1 at the unit place, isn't it? 127 to the power any multiple of 4 would actually give you 1 at the unit place, isn't it? So rather than raised to the power anything, you don't need to check. All you need to check is a multiple of 4 which is less than 70. So I can directly write, I can very easily and directly write 127 to the power 68 also gives you 1 at the unit place. The logic, see this is the logic. Alright, so now what we are left with? We are left with the 2 more 127, so 127 to the power 70 would give you a number ending with 1 into 127 to the power 2, which is a number ending with 1, and 7 sevens are 9, so a number ending with 9, and 1 into 9 is 9. So definitely you get something where now unit digit of odd raised to the power any number is easy, isn't it? So I can write 127 to the power 70 gives you 9 at the unit place. Answer is there. So just go through the concept once again. My logic is very simple. I'm saying index is odd, make 1 at unit place. So simple, so easy, isn't it? Then we need to discuss when the index is even. So case 2, when the index is even. Now this is again really important, because sometimes student get confused with the odd index. So please pay attention, when the index is even, guys, please, important part, we try making 6 at the unit place. We try making 6 at the unit place, and for this we either multiply the number twice or 4 times. Again, that's very simple, either 2 times or 4 times. Nothing more than that, right? Nothing more than that. Clear? So now let's create a question. I say, suppose 82 to the power 83 unit place. You have to find unit place of, this is a question, 82 to the power 83. So again I mark this, first of all I mark this index, it's even. I have to make 6 at the unit place. So just check out. First is I multiply 2 times, 2 2s are 4. 4 at the unit place, so I won't take this case because I need 6 at the unit place. Now without any hesitation, believe me, you don't even need to check it out, but since you know this is a basic class, I'm just trying to check it out. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, which is 6. So definitely a number ending with 2 when multiplied by 4 times would give you 6 at the unit place. So I write 82 to the power 4 gives you 6 at the unit place. A lot of videos you would check, they say a number I'm sorry, just wait a minute. Number ending with 2 has cyclicity of 4. They want to say is that when a number which is ending with 2 multiplied 4 times, it gives you 6 at the unit place. That's the meaning of cyclicity. Don't get confused with it, alright? So then I have to go where what's the question? The question is 82 to the power 83. So 82 to the power 4 raised to the power 20 would give me a number ending with 6 raised to the power 20, which means 82 to the power 80 ends with 6. Now from where does this come from? A number ending with 6 raised to the power natural always ends with 6. We have done 3 important points, right? 4 important points. Go and check it out. Let's go and check it out, This comes from this, guys. Here is this, a number ending with 6 raised to the power natural always ends with 6. Now I hope you won't make a mistake now, So I'm sure about this. Now this is so simple. Now 82 to the power 80, I'm just don't need to write it again, right? So I just want to ask you is 82 to the power 4 gives you 6 at the unit place. Can we just bypass this step and directly write 82 to the power 80 also gives you 6? Why? Because 82 to the power any multiple of 4 would be giving 6 at the unit place, right? So this is important. So 80 is a multiple, so we directly can write this, isn't it? Now let me see the question again. Question was 82 to the power 83. So 3 more, we require 3 more, So 82 to the power 80 into 82 to the power 3 gives you a number ending with 6 into 82 to the power 3, right? Which is the number ending with 6, and 82 to the power 3, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, and 6 into 8 ends with 8. So this is how you get your 82 to the power 83 ends with 8. Clear, guys? I hope see, I know for a lot of you it would be a tough subject, for a lot of you it would be difficult, but this is a basic, right? So you need to know this. To be very frank to you, there are people those who might be knowing it, but I am really concerned about people those who are not knowing it. All right, so then comes one more question. Let's do one more question. I say 68 to the power 73 unit digit. Find unit digit of a number 68 to the power 73. Again, guys, index is even. I just try 68 into 68. 8 8s are 4. So when I multiply 2 times, I do not get 6 at the unit place. So without any hesitation, you can directly write 68 into 68 into 68 into 68. Just check out 8 8s are 4. 8 8s are 4. 4 4s are 4 4s are 6. So 8 8s are 4 means 64. So I'm just talking about unit digit. Similarly, unit digit, and 4 4s are 16 but ends with 6, right? So I'm directly now easily write it 68 to the power 4 gives you 6 in the unit place. Then any multiple of 4 less than 73, directly write 68 to the power 72 ends with 6. Then 68 to the power 72 into 68 more would give a number ending with 6 into 68. 6 8s are 48, which is 8. So I think if you are proficient, you can easily do it in your mind. To be very frank to you, you can actually easily do it in your mind, but again you have to practice it, right? So one more for our even index. I say what is 64 to the power 99. Find the unit place. So I say 64 into 64, and wow, 4 4s are 6. Yes, it's working. Huh? 2 times you get your 6 at the unit place. So can I write 64 to the power 2 gives you 6 at the unit place. Now automatically means 64 raised to the power e1 gives you 6 at the unit place. Automatically, right, isn't it? So obviously 64 raised to the power 98 also ends with 6, which means 64 to the power 98 into 64 ends with 6 into 4, which is equal to 4, right? Easy. So guys, with that, I can be very smart and say that any number ending with, so I can create more results. So I can say important result. So any number ending with 4 raised to the power e1 always ends with 6, and a number ending with 4 raised to the power odd ends with 4. So you can take it as a rule, you can check it out. We can easily check out 4 4s are 16, huh? And 4 into 4 into 4 is 64. So see, one is ending with 6 and one is ending with 4. And for you guys to check it out, if you are interested, you can check it out. Can I write this thing? Any number ending with 9 raised to the power e1 ends with 1, and any number ending with 9 raised to the power odd number would actually end with 9. So kindly check this result as well. Let's see that if you are able to check it out and make it. So with that, unit digit, this is a basic of unit digit of a number. Questions we are going to do in the classroom. This is a theory part, and we are going to do good level of questions. Before that, this is going to be loaded on the YouTube. So guys, God bless you all. Please do take care. Thank you.